Living in a coastal area like Miami has many perks: sunshine, ocean views, and a warm climate year-round. But with that beauty comes the risk of hurricanes, strong storms, and harsh environmental elements. For homeowners in coastal regions, protecting the home isn't just about comfort, it's a matter of safety and long-term investment. One of the best ways to safeguard your home is by installing Miami impact windows. These specially designed windows offer a range of benefits that go far beyond just storm protection. Here are the top benefits of installing Miami impact windows in coastal areas. Hurricane and storm protection. The most obvious and important benefit is protection against hurricanes and high winds. Impact windows are made with laminated glass and strong framing materials that can withstand the intense pressure and flying debris associated with major storms. Instead of shattering like regular glass, impact windows are designed to remain intact even when hit. This can help keep the structure of your home secure and prevent dangerous wind and water from entering during a storm. Improved home security. Impact windows don't just protect against natural elements, they also add an extra layer of security against break-ins. The same strength that prevents storm damage makes it extremely difficult for intruders to break through. For families living in coastal areas where seasonal absences are common, this added security can provide real peace of mind when you're away from home. Energy efficiency. Another major advantage is better energy efficiency. Impact windows offer tight seals and enhanced insulation, which help keep cool air inside and hot air out. This is especially helpful in the Miami climate, where air conditioning is a year-round necessity. With less strain on your HVAC system, you'll likely see lower energy bills and enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment. Noise reduction. If you live near the coast, you're probably used to the sound of wind, traffic, and noisy neighbors. Impact windows significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor space. Whether you're working from home, raising kids, or just looking to relax, the added sound insulation is a big plus. UV protection. Sunlight can be brutal in Florida, and over time, it can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Impact windows are built with a special coating that blocks most harmful UV rays, helping to preserve your interior finishes and reduce sun damage. This benefit keeps your home looking newer, longer. Insurance discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes equipped with impact-resistant windows. Since these windows reduce the risk of storm-related damage, your home is considered less of a liability. In some cases, the savings on your insurance premium can help offset the cost of the windows over time. Boost in home value. Installing impact windows can increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers in coastal areas understand the importance of storm protection and energy savings, so homes with impact windows are often more attractive in the real estate market. It's an investment that not only protects your property but may also help you sell faster and for a higher price in the future. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional storm shutters that need to be manually installed before each storm, impact windows are always working for you. There's no extra setup needed, just clean them like regular windows and enjoy year-round protection. They're built to last and require very little upkeep. Final thoughts. If you live in a coastal area like Miami, impact windows are more than just a luxury. They're a smart, long-term investment. They protect your home from storms and intrusions, improve comfort and energy use, reduce noise, and may even lower your insurance premiums. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, installing impact windows is a move that brings both peace of mind and real value.